So we came downstairs. I'm in the basement now. And at the very bottom of the stairs, you have these big closets. That's cute. A little work sewing station. So, sorry if I'm making you dizzy. So 2 side-by-side closets, same size. This door goes to the other garage, and it says, please don't let the cats out. And they're right at the door. So I'm going to skip that room as to not let their cats out. They are like right there. I'm going to stick the phone in there. Afraid the cat's gonna get out. Sorry about all the dizziness.